It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made my St. Patrick's Day strawberries. So if you're ready to get started, let's get into it. Starting off with our strawberries, these are some large strawberries. You want to go ahead and wash them. I wash my strawberries with veggie wash. I will leave the link and all the other supplies in the description box below. And these are the sticks that I use, and today we're going to be using some almond bark. This video is sponsored by Great Value. So we're going to also be using some chocolate chameleon by Artisan Accent, and we're going to get started to prep our strawberries. So after you clean your strawberries, you want to make sure they are completely dry and that all the dead leaves are removed from the strawberry leaves. So you want to take them toothpicks and just lift up them leaves and remove any dead leaves or any parasites that you may see when you clean your strawberries. So using the veggie wash is really good, and you haven't tried it before, I would suggest to try it out, and trust me, you will love it. And normally I just spray and then rinse. All right, so after that process is done, you just prep your strawberries and set them to the side. So now that our strawberries are prepped, let's get started with our candy coating. You want to melt this almond bark for 60 seconds until completely melted. And once it has completely melted, you are ready to dip. You want to make sure your strawberries are completely dry before dipping into the candy coating. So for my first set of strawberries, I'm going to dip them in white. And then I'm going to set them to the side before I start to add any sprinkles or create any design. Now, using a piping bag, I'm grabbing this cup to add some chocolate to the piping bag, so it will be my drizzle bag. And I'm just going to add just enough, not too much, so that I can have a more control of my drizzle. And here is the chocolate chameleon. Now I'm getting ready to apply a few drops to this almond bark, just so I can get the green strawberries. Now, using this food coloring is only for chocolate. It's made for chocolate, and you can apply as many drops as you would like to get that desired color. So I started off with light and then started to add more, as you've seen, so that I can get a darker green, so I can go with my color scheme for St. Patrick's Day. Now I'm going to create another drizzle bag, which is going to be in the color green for my green strawberries. And I like to add a small amount to have control of the bag. I cut a small tip off and then cut some of that extra part of the bag off so it doesn't get in the way. Now I'm creating my little signature lines here. And as you see, I start on one side and go slanted and then flip it and then go the opposite way. And this is how I create this design. Now it's time to add some sprinkles. Now these are some jimmies. They're two-tone color jimmies, and I'm going to apply them to my strawberries. Now, if you notice, I'm starting off with a wet drizzle first, and you want to apply your sprinkles to the drizzle while it's wet. Now, if you notice, while I was creating these strawberries, I utilized the same almond bark, and with the design, I started off with the white to utilize majority of the almond bark, and then come behind and then color and then create my other design. So just make sure you utilize majority of your chocolate or whatever candy coating that you are using when you create your strawberry designs. So I'm adding little shamrocks to these strawberries to complete this strawberry St. Patrick's Day design. They're super small, but I thought they was cute, so I just added them to my strawberries. So these are my strawberries completed, and now I'm going to go right into packaging. Now these are super large, so I am going to package them in the container, the box that I normally package all my strawberries in. I love this package, and I will leave the link to the boxes below, so don't forget to check it out. But these are super large, so instead of me going the normal way, which is horizontal, I had to flip the box and do vertical. But this box is a size 10 by 7 by 4, and they do fit a dozen regular strawberries. But if you have larger strawberries, just check out what I do with these strawberries when I apply them to the box. So if you are new to my channel, I hope you loved and enjoyed this video, and check out some of my other videos on my channel. Just go to the videos on my channel and just check them out. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know how you have enjoyed this video and what other videos that you would like for me to do or what you would like to see. So continue to enjoy this video, and I'll see you in the next one.